Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a little house tour of where I stayed when I was in Guadeloupe for about 4 days. So enjoy this little house tour. Thank you for watching. So welcome to the house tour, and right now I'm going to take you through the place we were staying in Guadeloupe. So this is the kitchen. You know, it's very simple. We had our electric stove, and yes, this kitchen has warm water and cold water. This is the microwave, the fridge. You know, we have the fridge, we have the groceries. Now let's go inside. Okay, so this is a part of the bedroom area. We have a fire extinguisher, guys. And you know, we have the bed area. This is where we stayed for a while. We just have some closets, and you know, more closet space. And this is our bedroom. This is where we stayed. This is where I slept. This is my bunk and my roommates. And you know, 4 beds, 2 bunk beds. And you know, this is our AC unit. And this is more closet space we had in our room. And you know, everything is cute, everything is organized. But today is our last day, and I mean, I did a house tour on the last day, which is not likely, but we were tired, we were busy. This is where I charged my phone, and this is where I slept. This is a window. The windows are very like high class, bougie, and you know, that's how they operate. They're not ghetto like St. Lucia. Now we go into the bathroom. This is the toilet area, you know, where we spend most time using the toilet. And this is the shower. And in the shower, guys, we had a shower head, which was very cute, very fun and fresh. But the only thing is that there was not like a barrier for the shower, but we made it work. And you know, this is the girls getting ready to leave Guadeloupe. And yes, this is the end of my little house tour. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Oh, adios. This is our view. Yeah, basically it's just trees.